In 2015, a simple photo of a dress went viral. Some people saw blue and black. Others swore it was white and gold. It became the debate that divided the world. From office break rooms to celebrity Twitter feeds, the question was the same. What color is this? Blue and black, or white and gold? But while the world argued, neuroscientists realized they were witnessing the greatest natural experiment in the history of human vision. To understand why, we have to look past the fabric and into the very biology of how we perceive reality.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Your eye is a masterpiece of biological engineering. It starts with light hitting the cornea, the clear outer layer. The lens then focuses that light onto the retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eyeball. This is where the magic happens. The retina is packed with millions of light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors. You have rods for low-light vision and cones for seeing color and fine detail. Most humans have three types of cones. These cones are tuned to long, medium, and short wavelengths, essentially red, green, and blue. But there's a catch. Your eyes don't actually see a picture. They see a messy, chaotic soup of photons hitting these sensors. Your brain is the ultimate post-production editor. It takes that raw data and reconstructs a world that makes sense. To keep the world consistent, your brain performs a trick called color constancy. It's the ability to see a color as the same, regardless of the light hitting it. Think about a white piece of paper. Outside under a bright blue sky, the light hitting the paper is physically bluish. But inside, under a warm yellow light bulb, that same paper is physically orange. Yet, in both cases, you see it as white. Your brain subtracts the ambient light source to tell you what the true color of the object is. This is usually flawless, until the dress. The photo of the dress was a perfect storm of bad photography. It was overexposed and the background was incredibly bright. Because of the overexposure, the lighting was ambiguous. Your brain had to make a choice about the environment. If your brain assumed the dress was in a cool, bluish shadow, it automatically removed the blue, leaving you with white and gold. But if your brain assumed the dress was being washed out by warm artificial light, it subtracted the yellow tones, revealing blue and black. But why did two people looking at the same screen see different things? This is where your personal history comes in. Studies published in journals like Current Biology suggest that our internal clocks, our chronotypes, played a massive role. Early birds who spend more time in natural daylight are more accustomed to blue-tinted light. Their brains are blue-subtracting experts. Because they are used to blue light from the sun, they are more likely to see the dress as white and gold. Night owls, however, spend more time under warm, artificial light. Their brains are tuned to subtract yellow tones. This group was much more likely to see the truth, that the dress was blue and black. But there's more to the story. Human vision evolved to handle the blue-yellow shift of natural daylight. The dress happens to sit exactly on this axis of uncertainty. When an image is this ambiguous, the brain doesn't just guess. It flips a coin based on every single moment of your past experience. In 2017, researcher Pascal Wallisch found that the more you work under artificial light, the more likely you are to be team blue and black. Age also plays a part. As we get older, our lens is yellow, slightly changing how we filter that ambient light. So what was the real answer? Roman Originals, the British retailer that made the dress, confirmed it. It was blue and black. They eventually made a white and gold version for charity, but the original? Pure blue and black. No doubt about it. The legacy of the dress isn't just a fun piece of internet history. It changed how scientists study the eye. It's a reminder that our reality is a high-speed hallucination. We don't see what's there. We see what our brain expects to be there. It paved the way for other viral illusions like Yanni or Laurel, proving that our hearing is just as subjective as our sight. It teaches us empathy. If we can't agree on the color of a dress, imagine how much our perception shapes our more complex beliefs. In the end, we don't see with our eyes, we see with our brains. Every color, every shadow, is a story your brain tells you. So, let's settle this once and for all. Tell us in the comments, what did you see in 2015? And does it look different to you now? Thanks for watching this deep dive into the dress that broke the internet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain-bending science.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.